નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. Grade Subject Science, Chapter 2nd, Microorganisms. Dear students, today we will discuss some common human diseases. DISEASES, okay, caused by the microorganisms. See, first column is given human disease. Second column will be given causative, CAUSATIV. Causative means causing, disease causing microorganisms. Mode of transmission, how it transmitted or spreading from one person to one person. And this last column is preventive measures. Okay, first one, tuberculosis. This is a infectious disease caused by the bacteria. Okay, what it is doing, affecting, causes, infecting the lungs, chest pain, weight loss. Okay, this is the bacteria's harmful causes. And mode of transmission is through the air. Then next one is measles. This is also caused by the viruses. And the symptom is red skin, rash, fever. Okay, these are the symptoms. And mode of transmission through the air. Next one, chicken pox. This is also caused by the viruses and through the respiratory droplets also. And its causes is itchy blister like rash on the skin. So this is the what causes of virus. And this transmits through air and contact also. And next one is polio. This is muscles weakness resulting inability to move caused by the virus and transmission through the air and water. Okay. And what is the preventive measure? Keep the patient in the complete isolation. So isolation means to keep in the separate places, separate rooms. And keep the personal belongings, whatever the belongings, all the belongings, clothes or whatever the vessel, food, this all belonging to the patient, what you are supplying, what you are giving, away from those of the others. So like this way you have to take precautions. And vaccinations or injection to be given the suitable age. So in this way we can take the preventive measure. Okay, next one is cholera, CHOLERA, cholera. This one is an infectious disease caused by the bacteria. Okay, what causing diarrhea, nausea, vomiting, these are the diseases spreading through the cholera. And mode of transmission is through the water and food. And typhoid will be, this is also bacteria through the contaminated food, water. Okay, here given. And causing the fever, headache, loose stools. So these are the problems arising through the typhoid. Okay, now this preventive measure is what? Maintain personal hygiene, personal cleanliness and good sanitary. Around our surroundings should be clean. Okay, clean measurement, clean will be there. Clean habits we have to make. Consume properly cooked food and boiled drinking water, and also at the time we have to go vaccination also is the best preventive measure for this given at the suitable age. Okay, next one, cholera will be there. Cholera, typhoid, this we have completed. Now hepatitis B, spreading through virus, and this is by the disease causing virus, and mode of transmission through the water. Drinking boiled drinking water and vaccination is the preventive measures. So next one is malaria, I believe there, causing by the protozoa spreading through mosquito. Use mosquito net or repellents. You know what you are saying, what you are using at home, repellents, a substance used to repel the insect. Okay, liquid what you are using at home. And spray insecticides and control breeding of mosquitoes by not allowing water to collect in the surroundings. So these are the preventive measures. See, sometimes in examination asking what will be the preventing measure of these diseases, or otherwise how it is spread through the air, measles what, cholera is through the food, and so like this objective questions will be asking from this table. Okay, now next one. Some of the common diseases affecting humans, their mode of transmission, and a few general methods of the prevention given in the table 2.1. Okay, disease causing microorganisms. Several microorganisms not only cause diseases in the humans and plants, but also in the other animals. For example, anthrax is given. This is also skin ulcer, difficulty in breathing. So like this problem arises due to anthrax is a dangerous human and cattle disease caused by the bacterium, Bacterium. This is a singular one. Bacteria is the plural one. Okay. Foot and mouth disease of cattle is also caused by the virus. Now we will see that. See here is given. So Robert Koch in 1876 discovered the bacterium Bacillus anthracis, Bacillus anthracis, Bacillus anthracis, which causes anthrax diseases. Now, disease causing microorganisms. Several microorganisms cause diseases in the plants like wheat, rice, potato, sugarcane, orange, apple, and others. The disease reduce the yield of crops. So, what are the problems arising? The yielding, what the product has to give, number of quantities, so that it will give the less in number. So, you will see they can be controlled by the use of certain chemicals which kill the microbes. Okay, what are the some common plant disease and caused by the microorganisms? Citrus canker. Say citrus canker is one caused by the bacteria is. So what is the problem? Infection causes on the stem of the leaves, fruits, citrus leaves, so or citrus trees. Mode of transmission through the air. See the here lemon given on the surface of the lemon. So we are back-to-back spots we are. So like this problem arises due to the citrus canker. Next, rust of wheat. So this is also very important one. Fungal disease that affect the stems on the leaves and grains of the wheat. See, look here. So like this. So like this surfaces you will see these diseases. And microorganism, fungi, and mode of transmission, air by the seeds like this. Now next one, yellow vein mosaic of bindi. Okra, you are saying okra, contains fructans of type of carbohydrate, can cause diarrhea, kidney, bowels problems. So this one is spread through viruses and mode of transmission by the virus, microorganism, and mode of transmission will be insect. See the figure here. Okay, now food poisoning. Bujo was invited by his friend to a party. He ate a variety of food items. On reaching the home, he started vomiting. Then he had to be taken to a hospital. The doctor said that his condition could be due to the food poison. Okay, Paley wonders how food poison can become food poisoning. Food poisoning could be due to the consumption of the food, using of the food, spoiled by some microorganisms. You know that some microorganisms are playing on that. Okay, microorganisms that grow on our food, some items produce toxic, harmful substances or poisonous substances. These make the food poisonous, causing the serious illness, serious disease, or even death also. So it is very important that we preserve food to prevent it from being spoiled. Okay, so these are the things you are food preservation. See, food we are preserving. In chapter 1, you learned that we have learned about the methods used to the preserve and store the food grains. How do we preserve the cooked food at home? You know that bread left unused under moist conditions is attacked by the fungus. So white patches you are observing. So microorganisms spoiling our food, spoiled food items, bad smell and has a bad taste giving and changing the color. Is spoiling of the food is a chemical reaction? Yes, the chemical reaction takes place on that. Okay, so these are the Peli bought some mangoes, but she could not eat them for a few days. Later, she found that they were spoiled and rotten. But she knows that the mango pickle her grandmother makes does not spoil for a long time. She got confused in this. Okay, so let us study some common methods to preserve the food at home. So, dear students, so this we will discuss in the next video. Till that, bye bye. Thank you for joining us.